The good-looking and talented actor Vishal Singh, who has won audience heart as Jigar, is on a roll. The actor is all set for his big screen debut, which is going to be released soon, and moreover that, he has bagged an American series. Here's Vishal sharing his excitement about his new beginning.
It's like a big thing for me और मैंने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा and for me actually coming to Bombay and doing all this was always like a next to impossible thing और उसके बाद ये हो रहा है life में when I'm getting to work in another country altogether and वहाँ पर जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग ड्रीम करते हैं काम करने का because I've already started working. I've worked for like LA Fashion Weeks for 2 seasons and then this time I worked for Style Fashion Week LA again. Actually, I would not say that it's sure right now, so that's why I don't want to say the details. But yeah, I've been meeting and I've been talking and I've already had like 2 sittings with the production house. So hopefully, please, I think I would want to say it to all my friends, then please pray for me so that I can get this thing जो मैं expect कर रहा हूँ. Character I don't know exactly, but the thing is the first thing जो उन्होंने मुझे करने के लिए बोला, that's the thing that I need to definitely improve my English, and they want a little accent too. So either I have to have like a little British accent or the American accent. So I have started working on that. So I have started taking classes every alternate day. So after my shooting, I've just started actually. So the first thing I have to work on is this. So and I have like 4-5 months in my hands. So मेरे पास time है that I can work on it. बहुत अच्छे से accept किया and बहुत सारे दोस्त बन गए हैं. So when I go there and I don't feel like that I don't belong to that city. Because अब इतने सारे दोस्त हैं that every day you pack up from your shoot and then you know that there are people who are waiting for you to catch up and to meet, and there are so many friends there now. So people, they are great people. Yeah, the way they work is amazing. और I don't know why I have heard कि बहुत मुश्किल होता है वहाँ काम करना. So far my experience has been amazing. So I hope कि आगे का भी ऐसे ही अच्छा हो यार. Yeah, it was an extremely amazing experience because I was shooting with all the brilliant actors, right from Manoj sir to Divya ma'am to Jimmy Shergill to Sachin Khedekar sir and Kittu ma'am. So ये सब actors जिनको मैं बहुत time से देखता आया हूँ and I really admire them, and when I was working with them, so I actually learnt a lot from them. So मेरे लिए for these guys were like definitely a institution where I have learnt a lot from all of them, and it was an honor to share a screen space with all these guys. So I am like thrilled that I'm really looking forward because I have not seen the film myself so far. So I am waiting to watch the film first and then I can tell my friends and my fans to go and watch it. So let's see, I'm very excited. So please go and watch. I hope it's going to be a nice film because so far we've been getting good response. And then if you talk about Hollywood, which is like I've only done fashion so far, so I have not done anything in acting. So I am also really looking forward that I can do well and I can feel my country, make my country feel like proud of me. Like, I want to do something good. And उसके लिए मुझे अपने आप पे बहुत काम करना है. मुझे like literally as I said that I really need to improve my English and the accent. So let's see.
We wish you all the best, Vishal. I'm Disha Kamal, cameraman Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Vishal Singh. You're watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel, India Forums.